Hey guys, welcome back to 100 Days of Code. Today is day 30, and to mark this milestone, we're going to be learning about some more advanced Python topics, such as errors, exceptions, and also we're going to be learning how to save and load JSON data. So that's all yet to come. First, we're going to be taking a look at some of the errors we've been getting and how to avoid crashing our app by handling those errors. Then we're going to take a look at this particular data format called JSON. And this is probably one of the most widely used data formats for transferring data across the internet between applications. And this is going to be something that's going to be helpful not just in Python, but in a lot of other programming languages as well. And once we've understood all of that, then we're going to put it together. We're going to use it to improve our existing password manager. By the end of today, not only will we be able to save websites, generate passwords, and add it to our database of passwords, but we're also going to be able to search through that database. So we could type in the name of a website, hit search, and it'll tell us what the email and password is that we need to use to log on to that website. Plus, we're going to make this a lot safer by handling some of the exceptions that could happen and make sure that in all circumstances, our app will work exactly as expected. So all of that and more is coming up. Head over to the next lesson and we'll get started by learning about errors and exceptions.